Hello guys, Top Coins here. Today we're going to be showing off this 2009 Presidential Dollar Proof Set. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. We have 4 presidents with all their portraits. We have William Henry Harrison, John Tyler, James Polk, and Zachary Taylor. Here's the COA. Here's the front. Here's the back. And here's the inside. Now let's take a look at the actual coins. As I said, we have 4 coins here. These are all proof coins, which means they have polished dies, as you can see with that nice cameo contrast. So now let's take a look at the back with the iconic Statue of Liberty. I don't have many modern proof sets, I only have a couple. So this is a nice addition to the collection. And that'll wrap it up for this short video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.